guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a super fun video where I am trying to do the Indian side of the makeup and Canadian side of the makeup on my face. I hope you would like this video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me on Instagram because I rarely post there, but when I post it is bomb stuff. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So this is going to be my Indian side of makeup, and this is going to be my Canadian side of makeup. We are going to be using almost similar products in both of the sides, but the only thing that is going to change are the techniques and the amount of product being used. So to start off this video, I am going to use this particular moisturizer from Cordial, and this is called the Cream Sorbet Moisturizer, and this is good for sensitive skin as well. So we're going to take a little bit of that. So for primer, I am using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primizer, which is a primer and a moisturizer. Now for makeup, for foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I've been using this foundation in almost all my videos just because I love this foundation so very much. It's super lightweight. It stays on put for so many hours. So here the Glow Slick Extra Full Coverage. So I'm going to go a little bit more on the side and try to make it as much as full coverage as possible. I think that looks pretty good. So if we need more, we'll put some concealer and conceal the spots. So on the Indian side of my face, I am going to take the same foundation and apply a very thin light layer. Indians like to wear makeup. They do like to wear makeup. They like everything to look natural, you know, as if you're not wearing anything. Well, that looks good. So I think this part of the face need a little bit more coverage. We need to be flawless. So I'm going to take more foundation and then apply that to this side of my face. Okay, so now that foundation is out of the way, I am going to use a concealer to correct some of the imperfections that I have on this side of my face and also my under. In Indian makeup, they don't usually use too much of concealer. Things might be changing right now, but yeah, they don't tend to use too many like concealers and this and that on the skin. Just the foundation. That's all I have seen till now. But things, as I said, things are changing right now. So I'm gonna apply this in a V shape under the Canadian side of my face. And then I'm gonna put like tiny little dots under my eye on the Indian side of my face. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I'm gonna put like a generous amount on this side because in Canada they like to bake their under eyes and make it, you know, as flawless as possible. So on my Indian side, I am just gonna do a little sweep of this powder. And also on the Indian side of my face, I like to keep everything matte because we do not like shine on our face. We like everything to look matte because of the humidity and everything. We sweat a lot, we get a lot of shine on our face, so we don't like to add any products that might cause more shine to our face. So I'm just gonna blend everything in and make sure my face is super matte. Tilbury's Contour Wand Easy Contour. As you may already know, the Canadians or North Americans in general, they do like a chiseled face, a chiseled nose, chiseled jawline, everything. They want to look very chiseled and, you know, super chisel. So that's what we're gonna do. To my jawline as well. So I'm gonna set my contour with a bronzer. So for bronzer, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury's Film Star Bronze and Glow, and I'm in the shade medium. So I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush like that, and then just go over my contoured area with more bronzer. So I don't think that is enough for the side of my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and then I'm going to go over this part of my face even more to give it a more definition. So I'm going to take same bronzer and then just going to apply it on the side of my face as well. But as I said, I'm not going to contour my face or anything, just apply some bronzer ever so slightly to give my face an even look. So for Canadian side of my face, I am going to use my Morphe palette, and on the Indian side we are hardly going to put any eyeshadows on because that is not our thing. Our thing is to put lots of kohl or kajal on our eyes and make our eye very, very expressive and the Bollywood inspired like these girls have. That's how we want our eyes to look like. So but for the Canadian side of my face, so they like to do all brown and neutrals. So to finish off this look, we are not going to go for any shimmer shade today. Canadians, they do like to put shimmer on top of their eye, but I have never seen anyone wearing shimmer on their eyes daily to work or to, for daily activities and stuff like that. So I'm going to go with a more neutral, like a, very neutral cool shade of white. I am just going to apply that all over my eyelid. A little white shade and then apply to the under the brow area to lighten that area a little bit. For my lower lash line, the Canadian girls, they do not like to apply dark eyeshadow, dark liners or anything to the lower lash line. They do like to apply like a nude shade to open their eyes even more, to give the illusion of a bigger eye look. So that's what I'm gonna do as well. I'm gonna take a nude pencil. So this is from Rimmel London. This is their Scandal Eye 24-hour pencil. So I'm gonna take that pencil and then apply that to the waterline. So I do like the concept of brightening up the inner corner, but it is a thing here, you guys. It is a thing to brighten up your inner corner, and I've never seen any Indians doing that while doing their makeup, being people who are born and raised in India. Okay, so to pop that inner corner even more, I am going to take like a champagne shade from the Morphe palette and just apply it to the inner corners of my eye. So we have super curled, pumped up lashes, and then I am going to put some mascara on, but we are going to go with false lashes just in a second. Okay, so we will pop the lashes on, but I am going to go ahead and do the Indian side of my eyes, which is super low maintenance and very simple to do. I am not going to touch anything, like no shadows, nothing on my upper lashes, but what we're going to do is we're going to enhance our look with kajal. So for the kohl, I'm using the Rimmel London kohl pencil, the Scandal Eye pencil, and this is the shade Gold. This is the shade Gold. So I'm going to take that and then apply generously to the lower lash line. So that does not look dark enough for me. So from Urban Decay, and I am going to darken up my waterline even more. So this is like a dark black shadow. Oh my god, this is what I want. This is what I wanted. And then just smoke out the look even more. So we're gonna do the same on our top lashes as well and smoke everything out really good. What do you think about my Indian side of my face?
That's good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so I am gonna leave my eye. I lived in India for 20 years and I've never worn mascara to work. I mean, I've never worked there, but you know, to college or school or anywhere, I haven't worn mascara. Because we don't go for the lash curling technique because we think our lashes are super long and curly and everything naturally, and I don't think lash curling is a thing in India at all. So just gonna skip that step in altogether. So just gonna go with mascara just for the sake of this video, but I don't think we wear mascara like every day. It's not a thing at all. Back. Use the exact same blush on both sides of my face. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, and then I'm going to take a little round fluffy brush, swirl it around, and then apply it to the. So on Indian side of my face, I am going to go over the apples of my cheeks. That's how we were taught. Give a smile and put the blush on the apples of my cheek. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's what I did. So it looks pretty good right now. So on the Canadian side of my face, I'm gonna take my blush with a little smile. I'm gonna take my blush even up higher for that more chiseled look and blend it really good. So that looks pretty good. So our blush is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my highlight because our humidity is pretty bad, and if we put more shine into our face, we're gonna look like grease balls. So we don't want that. So we totally avoid highlighters or any sort of shine to our face. But we do like the glow from within. So I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter and then just apply just, you know, with my fingers. I'm just gonna brush it in just like that, so that it gives a very subtle glow. But we're gonna go all out with the highlighter on the Canadian side of my face. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Mary Luminizer. This is a trial pack. So I'm gonna take quite a bit of the highlighter on the fan brush, which doesn't look like a fan anymore because I cleaned it a couple of days ago, and it looks like my dog's fur after he gets a bath. So then I'm going to take the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this lipstick is in the shade Cowboy. So I'm going to on the Indian side of my face, I am going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is like a regular lip, not a lip balm, but a lip gloss. So that's what we do. That's what they do back home. They do not wear lipstick every day. What they do like is to wear like a natural something natural on their lips. So I'm gonna take this one. It's just because the shade is closer to my lip color, and it's gonna look natural. So that is my finished look, you guys. So this is the Canadian side of my face with the Indian side of my face. I do not really wear false lashes, so I look like, I don't know. It's so uncomfortable for me. So let's take a moment to enjoy the makeup look that I created for you guys. What do you think about it? Leave that in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you had a good, amazing 10-15 minutes. I did. It took a couple hours for me to film this video, but I guess it was worth it. I did switch my earrings here. Yeah, I'm wearing some blue kind of earrings on my Indian side, and then like a hoopy earrings on the left side, which is Canadian side. My husband said the blue thing did not go well with the Canadian makeup, so I had to listen to his word. So there you go, a hoopy earring. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't hesitate. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up. And until we see you again in another video. Bye.